Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. Today is May 15, and the chart of the day for today is silver. Here is a 1 hour time frame, and we are looking for silver to continue to extend lower in the shorter cycle, but the arrow is turning down and we do not recommend selling, which suggests that the right side is not bearish. Just because the chart is calling for more downside doesn't mean we like that direction, right? So we like the right side, and sometimes we are in a period where things could be moving against the right side, but that doesn't mean we like to trade every single time, every single moment, and every single swing. Now here, that means we actually prefer to be on the right side, which is to be bullish, than to be bearish, even though we are calling it lower. So you can see we ended with 1 here in the intermediate degree. So this current price action is looking pretty sideways, and which is a characteristic of a correction, right? It's not an impulsive move down, and we are calling this move down here EPC, 3 waves down, ending W, this rally X, and then now potentially can see more downside. And the bad thing about thinking about trading every single swing is that sometimes trading against the right side proves to be something that does not happen, and that's why you do want to avoid trading against the right side and only trade in the direction of the right side if the market gives you the opportunity. Now zooming out on the daily time frame. Okay, so let me put down this with 1, which is right here. So in the bigger time frame, we are also still consolidating, guys. Look at this, sideways, right? Sideways since October 2024. But notice a couple of things here. This leg is a 3 waves for sure. So it is not bearish. It's only 3 waves, which is bullish. 3 waves is bullish regardless what happens, right? Now, of course, we still need to break this peak. Otherwise, even though this is corrective, we can always do what we call a WXY, unless it breaks above the peak, which will confirm this low is in place, right? That's the only way to confirm this low is in place, by breaking above this previous peak. Until then, technically speaking, strictly speaking, it doesn't matter what I say, it doesn't matter what I label, the double is still a possibility unless it takes out this high. However, having said that, this rally looks impulsive, and that's why well, this rally is this subdivision here, which we do not see it in the 1 hour, which is this rally here. That's why, and then this recent decline here is looking corrective. That's why it looks likely we will extend higher while holding above this 28, okay, which is the low back in April this year. Now we are possibly extending lower though in the shorter cycle to finish with 2. So if you look at this daily time frame, let me copy and paste this WX here. So all we're doing here is extension lower within the right side remains bullish, and potentially can go to 100% of the WXY, right? So this will be a potential support area where, assuming it can go down here again, because it's against the right side, then it can find support, it can find buyers from here, then it can rally higher again, eventually takes this out. Okay, so that's the idea here. So we do favor on the bullish side against this low in a bigger degree, right? And we'll see how it goes, but for now potentially can see another leg down to finish the Y here. All right, so that's the update here, guys, and as always, if you want to get more updates on silver or any other commodities, forex, indices, stocks, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day to you all.